Today, let's talk about a tomato. Today, we are going to learn something about a tomato. A tomato, as you can see, is a round, red, juicy fruit. Tomatoes grow on vines in warm climates. They turn from green to red when they are fully ripe. You can eat tomatoes raw, in salads, or cooked in many dishes. Tomato ketchup is a popular sauce made from tomatoes. Tomatoes help in keeping the skin healthy. They are very nutritious and contain essential vitamins. For more videos like these, please like, share, and subscribe to Small Wonderland.